You're watching Channel 1 and this is the March Week 1 Garden Update. Greetings from Holland, Romulo here. This is the week 4 of our new channel, and I'd like to thank our new subscribers in the Philippines, to Ate Carmen in Bulinaw, Sundowner, and the millennials in Manila. It was fun mingling with you this weekend. Also special greetings to Channel 1's official partner in North America, Princess May. Thank you for the support, and I look forward to more cooperation with you. There's not much to do at the garden, but there are lots of updates that I have to share from the flat. This is the second month of my chayotes, and look how they become. They have become bushier. If you remember, I pinched their tops I think a month ago to see whether they would become stronger and bushier, and they really did. At the lower part of the screen, you see how they were 3 weeks ago, or a month ago. I also have here the geraniums that I overwintered. These are usually perennials in this part of the world, but during my recent trip to Peru, I discovered they can be perennial. They don't have to be thrown away at the end of the year. I overwintered them at that little cabinet, at that little greenhouse cabinet, and I think they're strong enough and they're ready to be brought out. And another hortensia here, my only hortensia, by the way, I overwintered it inside the same cabinet. Look how healthy it has remained, and lovely new buds, new leaves. And I'll be showing you as well the developments of the Ampalaya. I showed you, I think a week ago, how I sowed them. I soaked them in hot water and wrapped them in moist tissue paper. Would you not believe, or you might not believe, that after 3 days they germinated. This is how the Ampalaya seeds look like before I transplanted them into small pots. To the left are the seeds which were just soaked, and to the right, with the popsicle stick on, are the seeds that were nipped a bit at the edge. We're building up here at Channel 1. This is our newest time-lapse. We cannot bring the cameras outside, they might be stolen, so I wrote in branches of cherry trees here, and let's wait for the cherry blossoms. Don't forget to come back. And here are our newest acquisitions, studio lights to be able to record better pictures for your enjoyment. And our balcony has been a bit put into order. It looks more pleasing now, and that's the calamansi, or calamondino in Italy. The geraniums that you just saw, and the healthy chayotes there. This order just arrived yesterday, and while having siesta, I was woken up and I wasn't able to return to sleep. These are what we call deep root trainer. We need them for starting seeds that have deep root system. For example, sweet corn or peas, even beans. If you're in the Netherlands, don't ever Google deep root trainer. This product is not available here in the Netherlands, in entire Benelux, I'm afraid, so I ordered it in the UK. This entire tray here can accommodate 16 individual trainers, and each cartridge has 4. It costed around €30 plus €7 for shipping. I don't think it's worth it. I was expecting deeper, but this is similar in depth as the tissue paper rolls that I've been using. But the good thing is it came with this tray and with this covering. I'll be using this for my sweet corn later. It's flimsy. I hope it lasts for at least 3 to 4 years. That's how I'd be organizing it. Curious how vegetables and flowers evolve in the garden? Don't forget to subscribe. I need the inspiration. Thank you. The advantage of this is you just have to open once you transplant without having to push the seedling out. Just like an envelope. Whoever invented this is a brilliant invention. I think that's it. We'll have to go to the garden center and see what we can buy. I went there late this afternoon to buy my pots, big pots, more than 5 gallons for my Chayotes. I'm planning to overwinter them this year. The flowers are now available at the garden center. How lovely can they be? Thank you for joining me today. I hope to have you again next time as we bring you another update of gardening. Romelo here from Eindhoven in the Netherlands. And till next time, don't forget to subscribe if you want to get notified with the upcoming developments here at the garden and at the kitchen. Bye-bye.